So, have you ever felt like you're just staring at this jumbled mess of letters and symbols, in healthcare data?
Oh, absolutely.
Maybe you've seen something like this HL7 version 2 message, PID 11234556 City Karamdarjona 197000101.
Yeah, exactly. It can really feel like you're trying to read, I don't know, some kind of secret alien language.
Totally. And you're just left wondering, okay, where do I even start with this?
Right. And that feeling, being overwhelmed by these complex formats, it's actually really common in health IT.
It is.
People end up like Googling endlessly or just getting completely lost in all the developer jargon. It often doesn't quite click.
Exactly that. And, well, that's why I really wanted to share something today, something that's genuinely helped the health IT pros I work with. See, behind this channel, that's me. I'm a real health IT professional, and I actually love AI.
Uh,
My whole goal is to help overwhelm health IT professionals become, confident leaders in interoperability and health information exchange without needing to go back to school or anything.
that's fantastic.
This channel is really where we try to make HL7, HIE, and AI make sense, even if you don't feel like you're super technical.
Yeah.
So for anyone listening who's been there, just staring blankly at one of those messages, here's the #1 AI prompt I give my clients. It's simple. Break down this HL7 message line by line. Explain each segment in plain English as if I'm a health IT analyst trying to understand how this message moves through a hospital system.
That's a great prompt. What I think is really effective about it is,
Mm-hmm.
well, its simplicity, like you said. It asks directly for a clear, plain English explanation.
Right.
And crucially, it puts it in the context of, actual hospital operations.
It really does cut through the confusion, I find. Suddenly, those weird acronyms, those segments, they start to make sense, like PID.
Patient identification.
Exactly. It becomes clear right away. And you grasp that MSH is the message header, sort of like the envelope for the information.
And PV1.
PV1, yeah. That unlocks the patient's visit details.
And asking specifically how the message moves through the hospital system. It pushes the AI to give you that vital context.
It does.
It's not just about defining terms, it's about understanding the data's actual journey, right, between different systems.
Absolutely. That flow.
And understanding that data flow is
Who's
just
that?
so fundamental for anyone in health IT.
Right.
It affects, well, everything from patient care coordination to making sure the data is even accurate.
Couldn't agree more. Seeing how patient information actually travels between, say, the registration system and the lab system, it gives you such a deeper level of understanding.
Definitely.
So look, if this initial idea, this prompt, sounds helpful to you, I've actually put together a free crash course. It's called Master HI Data Flows with AI.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it dives deeper into what HL7 and health information exchange really mean, in the real world. It gives step-by-step instructions on using AI to decode even trickier messages. And honestly, it helps you build confidence for those conversations about interoperability.
And thinking bigger picture, right? Having that solid grasp, it saves so much time, reduces frustration.
Yeah, hold on.
It lets people contribute more meaningfully. They understand the why behind the data, not just the what.
Exactly. Well said. So you can find the link to this free training right there in the description below this recording. If you're looking for a way to, stop the guesswork and the endless searching.
Yeah, the frustration.
Right. This course is really designed to be a shortcut.
I mean, just imagine the clarity, the efficiency you could gain by finally feeling confident with these data exchanges. It's pretty significant.
It really is, isn't it? So, hey, if you found this useful, maybe give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment if you've ever felt a bit lost with HL7 or HIE. It genuinely helps build a community here, people learning together.
Yeah, share your experiences.
Definitely. And remember, that link to the free training is just below. Go check it out. I really think you'll find it offers a much clearer view on this whole area.